good morning everyone. Now this is the next class of ability progression. It may be last class, the question which are given in the textbook. After this class, in the next class we will do some extra questions, and again I will give you some homeworks. So I skip question number 7, 8 and 9. Yes. So now today in this class we will do question number 7, 8 and 9, not all but few of them. Okay, now question number 7. What is the question? See, first of all read the whole question. There are 6 questions and I will do 3 questions or 4 questions. I raised the homework for you. Now see question number 7. If A, B, C are in AP, then show that the following terms are also in AP. So first of all, what is given? First, A, B, C are in AP. So already I have told that if ABC are in AP, then twice the middle term is equal to summation of first and the last term. And this is the condition for all the 6 questions which are given in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now let me show you the first one. The first question is what to prove? To prove that 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. That is what? That is twice the middle term equal to first term plus last term. Now from right hand side, it's a simple question. Right hand side 1 by BC plus 1 by AB. So here LCM will be ABC. BC cancel A into 1 A. AB cancel C into 1 C. Now what is A plus C? Equal to twice B by ABC. BB cancel, so 2 by AC. Got it? So this plus this equal 2 by CA. So if ABC are in AP, then they are also in AP. Simple. Next is number 2. What is number 2? Number 2, to prove that A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, B into 1 by C plus 1 by A, C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. That is what? That is twice the middle term, 2B into 1 by C plus 1 by A equal first term plus last term. Twice the middle term, 2B into 1 by C plus 1 by A equal A into 1 by B plus 1 by C plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B. So now we'll solve this one from RHS. Right hand side. For the terms are A into 1 by B plus 1 by C plus C into 1 by A plus 1 by B. So here it is A by B plus A by C plus C by A plus C by B. Then take the LCM. Here BC, so it becomes AC plus AB. Here LCM AB, so it becomes BC plus AC. Yes, correct. AC, AB, BC and AC. Now in these two, what is the LCM? ABC. So BC cancel A into AC, A square C. AB into BC cancel A into AB, A square B. AB cancel C into BC square. Then AC into C, AC square. Got it? The next LCM ABC. Same. Now we'll arrange them such a way that we'll get A plus C. So A square C and AC square. Out of A square C and AC square, what is common? First let me add them together. Plus a square b and then bc square. A square b plus bc square. Now here out of these two ac common, so a plus is left, and out of third and fourth b common, a square plus c square by abc. Okay, a plus c. What is a plus c? Twice b. Next b. Now a square plus c square. A square plus c square. See, a square plus c square means a plus c whole square minus twice of ac. So here in place of a square plus c square, I'll write a plus c whole square minus twice of ac by abc. Then after that, twice abc plus b. What is a plus c? Twice b. So twice b whole square minus twice ac by abc. So twice abc plus b into this one 4b square minus twice ac by abc. Then twice abc plus 4b cube minus twice abc by abc. This one cancel. So after that, what will happen? 4b cube by abc. Now here bb cancel, so 4b square by ac. Now see, you will arrange them in this order. Twice b, so 4b square equal twice b into twice b by ac. Okay, so we got twice b. Now we replace this twice b by a plus c. Twice b into a plus c by ac equal twice b a by ac plus c by ac. A cancel, cc cancel, so twice b into 1 by c plus 1 by a. What we have to prove? Twice b into 1 by c plus 1 by a. So this is the solution of 7-2. Language 1. Now question number 3. 7-3. To prove that this one, okay, twice the middle term, first term plus third term. Yes, twice b square into c plus a equal a square into b plus c square into a plus b. Okay, again from right hand side, RHS. A square b plus c square a plus b. Now multiply them. A square b plus a square c plus ac square plus bc square. Now this is same as the previous one. A square c plus ac square plus a square b plus bc square. Now here ac common, a plus left. Here b common, a square plus c square. Then here AC into a plus c means twice b plus b. Again same as the previous one, a plus c whole square minus twice AC equal twice ABC plus b. This one is twice b, so twice b whole square minus twice AC. After that twice ABC plus b into 4b square minus twice ac equal twice abc plus 4b cube minus twice abc. Cancel. Now rearrange them. 4b square into c plus a. Now out of 4b cube, if you add 4b twice b square, then the remaining will be twice b. 2 to the 4, b square to b cube. Then what is twice b? Twice b equal to c plus a. Finished? Yes? In this way. Just simple than the previous one. Previous one also simple, but process is lengthy one. This one same, but half of the previous one. Okay. Next, I will do question of 5. After this, I will do question number 5. In this question, we have to prove what? This one given. We have to prove, or in place of this one, see, we can write this one also b minus a equal to c minus b. Now, in this question of 5, to prove that 1 by root c plus root a minus 1 by root b plus root c equal 1 by root a plus root b minus 1 by root c plus root a. Now see, in this question, this is a special type of question. In this question, if you simplify the both sides, taking this one as an equation, and if you find out that this implies b minus a equal to c minus b, then we can say that they are in AP. So here the LCM is root c plus root a into root b plus root c. So root b plus root c minus root c minus root a by root a plus root b into root c plus root a. Root c plus root a minus root a minus root b. Cancel. This one cancel. Now again both sides see, root c plus root a cancel. So root b minus root a by root b plus root c equal root c minus root b by root a plus root over b. Now if you do the cross multiplication, a minus b into a plus b equal a square minus b square. This one also root over c square minus root over b square, which is equal to b minus a equal to c minus b. Which is true or not? Which is true? Therefore, first term 1 by root b plus root c, comma 1 by root c plus root a, comma 1 by root a plus root b are in AP. Now we will do question 8.1. Here what is given? 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. 1 by a, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP. Therefore, twice 2 by B equal 1 by A plus 1 by C, or do the following calculation: C plus A by AC twice AC equal BC plus AB. Okay, these are three conditions. Twice AC equal BC plus AB. Now we have to prove that twice C plus A by B equal B plus C by A plus B by C. We have to prove 2 into C plus A by B equal B plus C by A plus B by C. Okay, now right hand side, B plus C by A plus B by C. LCM will be AC. So A B into C into B plus C plus A into A plus B. So BC plus C square plus A square plus AB by AC. Okay, I will try this one. 2 into C plus A by B. Now C square plus A square plus BC plus AB by AC. Now C square plus A square means BC plus AB. Okay, simply C square plus A square plus BC plus AB means twice of AC by AC. This equal to A plus C whole square by AC. Okay, now see here, we have to prove C plus A by C. Now A plus C whole square means A plus C into A plus C by AC. Yes, A plus C into A plus C by AC. After that, see, we have to find out that the value of A plus C by AC. See, this one you already got. Sorry, so A plus C. We already got this term, C plus A. Now, anyhow, we have to show that A plus C by AC equal to what? 2 by BC. Our target is what? To prove that A plus C by AC equal to 2 by B. Now, see this one. Here, we got 2 by B. Yes, 2 by B equal to what? 2 by B equal to C plus A by AC or not? So, in place of C plus A by AC, we can write 2 by B. So, this is equal to 2 by B into A plus C. Done? Yes or no? See? 2 by B into A plus C. Yes, correct? So, A plus C by AC, A plus C by AC equal to 2 by B. So, finished. Proved. This one. Understood? So, use the given conditions. We use this one. Where in this step BC plus AB, which is equal to twice AC, so I replace it twice AC, then C square plus A square plus twice AC equal to C plus A whole square or A plus C whole square. Then A plus C whole square means A plus C into A plus C by AC. Then A plus C by AC equal to 2 by B, so I replace it by 2 by B into A plus C. That is equal to this one. Left hand side and this is right hand side. Both are same. Now do the question number 8 by yourself. 5 is 7, 4 questions, and 8 there are 2 questions. I did one is for you. Now question 9. If ABC and ABC are in AP, then twice B equal to, or simply first of all we can write B minus A equal to C minus B, or we can write twice B equal to A plus C. Got it? Then find the AM. Okay, find the AM. AM of, AM means atomic mean of B plus C and A plus B. Now what is the aim of, suppose this is A, this is B, what is the aim of A and B? A equal to what? A plus B by 2. So B plus C plus A plus B by 2. Now B plus B what? Twice B, and this one C plus A by 2. Now see, we are going to find the aim of A plus B and B plus C. Now there are two terms or not? A, B, B, C. So if possible, find the answer in two terms if possible. Here simply twice B, C plus A also twice B. So you can replace twice B. Yes, in this way twice B plus C twice B by 2. That is 4B or not? 4B by 2. This one correct. This one correct answer. But if possible, transfer them into two variables. Now 2B equal to A plus C. Understood? As the two given numbers are B plus C and A plus B, here there are two terms A, B, B, C. So if possible, find the aim also in two terms. If possible, if it is possible, then find out. Otherwise, this is also correct. It doesn't matter. Both are. This is also correct. This is also correct. You get full marks. If the question is if ABC are in AP, then prove that the aim of this and this is this. Then you have to find this one. Then after here you will get half marks. After here you will get the full marks. Yes. Now can you solve other questions? There are 3 more questions, same type. Try them. If you find difficult to solve them, then text me or call me. Yes. So this is the all the questions of arithmetic progression which are given in the textbook, and I did 6 or 7, maybe 3 questions, extra questions from Deepak Sharma, and I gave you 6 or 7 as a homework. So try them. And now in the next class, I will give some more questions from 11 R.D. Sharma as well as from Deepak Sharma. Maybe Deepak Sharma. I will use R.D. Sharma in the next class, where I will give you some homeworks and I will show you some questions. Yes. So that's all for this class. Thank you.